Experts, actual experts, don't have to tell you that they're experts. All right, everybody, you made it to another Jed Said Awareness Up video. My name is Jed Thorpe, licensed therapist. Before we continue on how to identify a fake expert, maybe 3 or 4 ways to do that, be sure to subscribe, like, follow, and share. Now, without further ado, let's get into this whole how to spot a fake. So, number 1, look for some manipulation, bad manipulation in regards to the environment. They're creating some kind of scene for you. People on TV pretending to be doctors will wear a white coat because that's associated with doctors. And if you have a white coat, you must have some education. So not necessarily with information gurus or whatever kind of specialty is going on that's hot topic, autism and narcissism, all that kind of stuff in regards to mental health field. Look for books in the background. Man, I said it before and I'll say it again. This is a biggie. For whatever reason, people fall for this idea that if they have books in the background, they probably know what they're talking about, when in actuality, they just put the books in the background to convince you that they're an expert. So look for the books, look for the white coat presentation. Also, you can look for if they have to say that they're an expert. I'm an expert in this field. Experts, actual experts, don't have to tell you that they're experts. You can just tell. They don't have to do this song and dance for you. They just say, hey, this is the information. Let's go with it. So that's one of my favorite ones. Another thing they'll do is they'll give you like some weird fake expert title. Like I was watching some lady who allegedly was a lawyer, but she was saying she was an expert narcissist negotiator, right? She was an expert in this. And I'm like, you're not. You're actually a lawyer. You're not an expert. That's thousands of hours that person has put into that field. That's why they're able to explain it so easily and so ways people can understand it. What did Einstein say? He said something like, if you can't explain it to a 6-year-old, you don't know the information. Listen, if they're actually experts, they're not telling you they're an expert. So there's that. And the other thing, the last thing that we can poke holes in this whole facade, the charade of people pretending to be what they're not, is they'll have to sell you on how much they've helped people. I've helped thousands of people. This process that I'm talking about has helped millions of people to have happier lives. Man, if they have to tell you how much they've helped people to convince you, even before they've told you anything, just, man, put that alarm, ding, 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 right? That's a alarm right there, tripwire, hazard alert, that they're not who they say they are. And also, like, here's a bonus one. They're not in it to help you. They're in it to build their platform of whatever that might be. They're in it for the popularity, for the fame. It's almost like it's a quick in and out. It's like a get rich quick scheme, but it's a get popular quick scheme by being an expert on all these hot topics like narcissism or autism or ADHD, right? When it comes to the mental health field. So just look for that. And because it's a get-rich-quick scheme, this whole fake expert stuff, you have to look at how long they've been doing this. If they're an actual expert, thousands of hours, likely in education, they're not going to have a real short tenure at this. They'll have a lot of years that you can just look back on. Odds are you're going to look back, you're not going to find anything on these fake expert, mental health focused people that you might be listening to. So that's it. That's the Jed Said Awareness Up for the day. I hope you like it. I hope that from now on, the little bells will start ringing when people are trying to do a little bait and switch with you. You know what I mean? A little tomfoolery. So that said, if you want to see more, go to the website. It's www.meaningtolive.com. And until next time, awareness up.